my mother's neighbor threw this mirror out. And of course I went and picked it up, and it had these little metal pieces on the side which have been covered up that stuck out, and it was on a stand. We decided that we would remove the molding between our double closet doors and stick the mirror right here on this wall. It fits perfectly. And we always have an audience. The molding was sawed off and pried out. And the frame, the mirror, is going to fit right. Drilling pilot holes. Just make sure you don't drill into the glass. That is a nail set to set the head of the nail so that we can wood putty over it. We now have a mirror in between our closet doors. Presto!